Coming to you live from the library. This is where we're starting day 3. So fun fact, a lot of times when I go on these road trips, I stay at a pretty cheap hotel, I'm gonna be honest, and the Wi-Fi is never good enough for me to upload a YouTube video. So most of the times I'm sitting in the library for like 2 hours, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm waiting on the day 2 video to upload, but from here we're gonna go to Duncan Imports, so next clip will be over there. So we made it to Duncan Imports. I'm gonna make this probably a 2-3 part video. Right now I'm just gonna walk around and show some of the cars that I'm generally interested in buying, and then I'm gonna make a separate video just kind of going over everything, because there's some cars here that I'm obviously not trying to buy, like this Supra, this weird Mitsubishi. It kind of looks like it could be a Pajero with a crazy body kit. Let's look at this actually. If the interior to Pajero, this thing is nuts. It is. I think this is a Pajero with a crazy body kit. Does it say it? Yeah, it's a Pajero. Wow, this is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna show some of these cars later, but I'm not really trying to buy this. As crazy as it is, that's not really my cup of tea. My cup of tea is more this cappuccino. Maybe this is something that's coming to the channel soon. I told you guys one of my goals throughout this road trip is to find a car that I can genuinely buy, and this guy has a roll cage inside, so that's interesting. But let's walk around, show you some of the cars that I like. I'm gonna cut to the next one. This Subaru 360 is cool. I know I said I was gonna show some of the cars I want to buy, but this is very legendary because it was one of the first K cars, and it ends in 360 because it has a 360cc motor. And most of the K cars from like the early beginning, when I believe they were like 125 at first, they have a 360. They got a Sarah. Let me find. This is my first time walking around, so I don't know where the cars are. That's why I kind of want this to just be like a step 1. Like this I'm not gonna show because I can't afford it. What else? Suzuki, I don't really want that. Don't even know what that is. I don't think I will get a K-Truck here. I feel like it would have to be a very unique one. These are just regular Actis. This Evo's here. Nah, this AZ1 is still here. This guy's pretty cool. Last time I was here I saw it. It has like the, I don't know, something about this one that I really like. It's clean too. No, I don't really want anything here. Look at this red cappuccino. Let's check this out. I wish they had prices. This one has a Nardi. Interior is pretty clean. 25,000 kilometers. AC not working, but it's not really a big issue for me. I don't really see any crazy imperfections. Pretty nice. They got a bunch of Sentries over here. Another cappuccino on TEs. I got a set of these coming in. Let's see how they look. All right. Maybe I'll have 2 TEs. Oh, I'm not sure if that's real or not, but it looks real. Carbon fiber top. Carbon fiber hood. The only thing it's missing is a carbon fiber trunk, and this thing would be sick. Alright, so I might ask about this guy. This has 57,000 kilometers. Don't see information. Everything works. We got ourselves another cappuccino. This one has the same carbon thing, but it's just a wrap. I don't know why that one is different. They should have kept it the same. But this one has a nice little spoiler, like the rear bumper, LED reverse light, cool dual exhaust, and it also has a beige interior. I've never seen that before. But let's walk around. What other Ks can we look at? Oh wait, this Subaru. This Subaru is actually, I don't know how much it costs, but I'm very, very, very interested. Look at this. First and foremost, no hood or trunk, whatever you want to call it, but this is gold. Does it have an exhaust? It does not. Scott, if you're watching this thing needs an exhaust by you. Some nice rims. Cool, like, spoiler there. Interior is nice, black rear upholstered seats, and then the front end. Look at those rally-inspired headlights. I might need to ask them how much this one is. Oh, let's check if it's supercharged. If it's supercharged, this might be this one might be on the lead, honestly. It does not say it's supercharged, sadly. Damn, this would have been like the perfect freaking K-Truck. But what else we got over here? Bunch of Sentries and cool cars. That RX-7 over there. Step wagon, MR2, Type R, another Evo. I think the Ks are done. Some of the big Land Cruisers. Celica. This Celica looks huge. Why does it look so big? And then I think the line of K-Trucks is over there. I'll check them out, but to be honest, I'm not coming to Duncan to get a K-Truck. I just feel like Duncan has very cool cars. Stuff like that. Stuff like this. Some FJ Cruisers. I don't really feel like I need to prioritize K-Trucks. Maybe that red Subaru, but like stuff like this you see all the time. I guess I could also get a fire truck, but to be honest, I'm really leaning towards one of the K Roadsters, Cappuccino, Beat. I guess you could say Vivio, but these are all around like $8,000. They got some of the newer ones, just like Texas JDM. Oh, they got a dump. I haven't seen a newer dump. That's cool. All right. Oh, they got a bunch of dumps. Wow, a lot of them are dumps. Are every single new truck they have here a dump? I think so. Wow. Texas JDM did not have dumps. They had a bunch of new trucks just in general, but they had like the standard dumps. Every single one here is a dump truck. That's crazy. This Suzuki's pretty nice. Blacked out tail lights. Nice little sand color, black interior, yellow headlights. But all right, I think that's it for the Ks. I'll show you guys some of the cars inside as well. But let me do a full... Ooh, they got a Pajero. I don't know if I want a Pajero next, but let's just see. See if this one has any goodies. If I'm gonna get a Pajero, I'm gonna get that weird one over there. Manual. Oh, the prices are here, or is that just... Ooh, the prices are there. All right, $10,000. That's not that bad. Oh, look, it's right there. 10,000 is not that bad. It's pretty clean. All right, let's see. Let's see if that Subaru has a price. And then I'll show you guys the cars inside. They do have the prices. I didn't even realize. That means the Cappuccinos have the prices too, so I could get a better idea. I was gonna take a picture of all of them and just show them inside, but let's see. It's not supercharged though, man. Of course this one doesn't have a paper. Of course. I wish it was $4,291, but it's not. All right, I don't know the price of this one, but let's check out these caps. That one, I look at it, I guess. I don't really care for it though. This ricey little fake carbon fiber is not doing it for me. 17,000, yeah, I don't care about that. Curious to know how much this carbon fiber one. Comment below what you think it's gonna be. I'm gonna say, if that's 17, this has to be in the 20s. Yeah, 19,888, so 20. I just knew it was gonna be that. All right, let's see. This red one was pretty nice and stockish. Someone must be looking at Cappuccinos because all the hoods are popped. Wow, this one is more. 21,000. Must be, I don't even know. I mean, I guess it's for a purist. Somebody probably doesn't want all that carbon fiber stuff. They want the stock stuff, but I don't know. I'm taking the other one with the TEs. Are you kidding me? But all right, let's go inside and check out the other stuff. See what I mean? This is a whole different world, guys. This is another 360, but I guess in mint condition. This is a Honda. They have a motor comp right here, but those things are cool. A lot of these cars aren't for sale. Look at that Delica, oh my god. But yeah, a lot of these cars aren't for sale. A lot of them are classics. Some of them have little bags over them like that guy. But again, I'm gonna do a full like 30-minute video walking over every single car here. But for road trip purposes, I'll walk around and show you guys some gems. This CRX is cool. Is it a SI anything? I don't know. Yeah, it is a SI. That's cool. This Datsun is nice. Black on black FD. Let me show you guys the Honda City with the moto compo in the back. I'm trying to get cool like this guy. It has the bag too, and the helmet. I didn't even realize that the helmet, but they have the bag. I need to get this for my moto combo. I don't know how, but I need to buy that. What is this Honda? Oh, Vamos? Oh.
What is this?
I think it's a Vamos.
Yeah.
This is what the newer K-Vans are called.
Wow.
That's insane.
It is.
Not as insane as this, but it's crazy, man. I'm gonna show you guys the AZ ones, and then oh, looks like a K-Van over there. And then I'm going to continue on the road trip because I don't want to be here all day, and I don't want to, I can't show you guys everything in one video. It's just impossible. It's just impossible to show you everything. Bunch of S2000s. These are going to be right-hand drive very soon. I think at 99. Look at another one of these Honda Vamoses. What else we got over here?
You finding everything, are you?
Yeah, amazing.
Thank you.
This guy is also for sale, I believe. I think it's automatic though. Yeah, it's automatic. I was looking at it. I loved it. I like the seats. I like everything. Is this also a city? Or is it today? It's a today. This is a today. These are cool. This is what I want to. Where's the K-Van I thought I saw? It was that, but that's too big. But I want to buy one of these. This is a much, obviously, nicer edition. I wonder if these only came in automatic. Some of you can't see it, guys. You could definitely see it. I would buy this, put some hot dogs back here, put some Wait for the Fame merch. Does that open? Why does it look like it opens? That would be crazy if it opened. Does it open? No, right? No, it doesn't open. Another Vivio. Oh, right here. I didn't even see them, but they're right here. So yeah, man, I gotta get one of these. I'm gonna end the video in a couple seconds, but we'll end this part of the video, I should say. Ooh, fog lights. I gotta get one with fog lights too. I didn't even know. You know how I feel about fog lights. I gotta get the yellow ones like that, not these little puny circles. Ooh, a Beat with a hardtop in blue. 3 things you never really see. S-Car goes over there, NSX over there. I never seen one of these before. This is a 4-wheel drive turbo one, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll show you guys a little bit of the last section over there. Oh, well, let me show you this. I want to see what this looks like. How do I make mine faster? So this is the same motor as the Cappuccino, I believe. This is a Cobra. This is the Suzuki version. But I believe it's the same motor as the Cappuccino. But I need mine to have like cool sounds. So, oh wow, it says Suzuki. I've never seen that. Guys, someone explain this to me. Just in case your eyes don't work. Let me see. Just in case. Let me know if your eyes work. Yeah, man, they gotta sell me one. I'm gonna genuinely ask them, like, hey, would you sell any of these? Because I would love to make that happen. Yeah, I don't even care which one. Would you sell me any of them? I swear to God, I'm gonna ask them today. Like, I'm not joking. Like, I know, like, sometimes I joke around and stuff, but I swear to God, I'm gonna ask them, out of these 3 cards, would you sell me any? How much are they? And we'll make it work, because I would love to have this and the moto combo and then do a raffle or just sell it or do something fun. I don't even care. Give me the pink one. It makes no difference to me. But anyways, let's walk around. And I'm dead serious about the AZ one too. Like, for real, for real. My goal, I told myself before this year even started, that my goal, if I'm going to be the K-Truck guy, I want to get the ultimate K. And I feel like the AZ one is that. Shout out to the Samurai though. Let's walk over here. But alright, enough talking. Let's start from the beginning. Let's start this video over. I'm going to completely go over every single car for the most part that's here. But wow, Duncan Imports. This is why I wanted this to be the end of my trip for the most part, because this in itself is just content city and there's so many cars. Leaving Duncan Imports now. We are 4 hours from our next stop, which is in Maryland, where I'm officially heading back to New York. That was such a crazy experience. I made like 5 or 6 videos there, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But let's head on this road trip. I'm super tired, super exhausted. I kind of can't wait to get back to New York, but we still have 2 more dealerships we're gonna stop at. We're gonna look at this Honda K car that I cannot wait to test drive and check out. It has the same motor as this car, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say too much, but it has the same motor as this car. And I think that may be my next car. If we work some numbers out, I could sell this one for a good price. Might go back to back on the Hondas. But with that being said, we got 3 hours and 50 minutes till we get to the hotel, so let's start the drive.
At the house, they looking for a little, their car keys, and Amos tries to slip in them cheeks.
Update on the road trip. I'm getting gas right now. I'm an hour away from my hotel in Maryland. But unfortunately, I think there's gonna be a change of plans. So I left Duncan Imports earlier today and I got a hotel in Maryland. That's about like 4.5 hours from Duncan, and then it's 4.5 hours from my house. And the reason I got a hotel there is because I wanted to go see this Honda Z. So this is sold by Method Auto Group. This is actually one of the cars I was dying to see. It has the same motor as my Life, but it's turbo, weird off-roader, and I really wanted to drive it. But unfortunately, they're not in town, so I can't make any videos on it. So I think what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go to my hotel, I'm gonna sleep until maybe like 5 a.m. and I'm just gonna drive straight home. So this was supposed to be a 5-day, 1,000-mile road trip, but it really turned into a 3-day, 1,000-mile road trip. So I did it even quicker. Shout out to the Honda Life. I know I'm speaking a little too early right now. I didn't make it home, but the car's been doing amazing. It's doing pretty good on gas. I'm averaging around like 25 to 30 mpgs. It's extremely comfortable. There's a lot of leg room. I'm just a little sad that we're not gonna see this bad boy. I'll maybe put some pictures on the screen right now so you can see it better, but it's like a weird little Honda off-roader. It's turbo. It's automatic, which I didn't love, but I mean, it's still a cool little K car. With that being said, let's head back on the road. The Honda Life that could just made it to the hotel. We're gonna end this here. Can I see the Life? No, I'm probably in the back of the hotel. But let's put my bags down. Let's edit these videos. We gotta wake up at 6 a.m. and drive back to New York. Top of the morning to you. Time to drive 4 hours back to New York and do the final leg of this road trip. 250 miles to go.
Mission contagious.
Now, what's a road trip without Waffle House? Let's stop here and fuel up.
Continue for 2 miles.
Update on the road trip. It's nice and sunny out finally. I'm about like an hour away, cruising at 62 miles per hour. When you're doing a K road trip, you have to resort to other ways to become comfortable. So my right leg is just officially tired since there's no cruise control. So this is how we'll be driving, thugging it with my left leg. Do not try this at home if you're not a gangster like me. But 1 more hour till we make it back to Queens, New York. Home sweet home. Back in New York in the K car's natural habitat, sitting in traffic, going 20 kilometers an hour. There's an M4 in front of me. There's an undercover cop right there. Good to be back. And just like that, this series is gonna come to an end exactly where we started. When I first started this road trip 4 days ago, we had 117,000 kilometers. Now we're just a little over 119, and the Honda Life gave me no issues. If you're thinking about going on a road trip, just make sure you do all your maintenance, take your time, and enjoy the fun. These cars clearly aren't made for that. They're made for little back roads in Japan, but don't tell me you can't drive them on the interstate. Don't tell me they get 40 mpgs, because I showed you guys they don't. And don't tell me this isn't gonna be the most fun you've ever had in a car. But I'm in this video here. I got at least 3 more videos from Duncan to upload. We got a K-series video to upload. And then I just got offered this Honda Beat for $5,000. I'm gonna show some pictures of it here. What do you guys think? It's a little too clapped out in my opinion, but I do like to buy BS cars, and it has like Lamborghini doors, and I think it'll just be funny to start the video with, for the title of the video, I bought the most clapped out Honda Beat in America. $5,000 though, it's a lot. But all right, catch you beautiful people later. Until next time, peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.